How to receive crypto on Kraken. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you shortly on how you can receive cryptocurrency on Kraken. Now the process itself is pretty simple. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here since I'm unable to access my account at the moment, but I'll just be guiding you through. Now to receive the crypto, you can either scan a QR code or you can manually enter the wallet address provided by the sender. So what you can do is if the sender is nearby, you can either ask them for QR code or you can directly scan the QR code through your phone. To do so, you can head over to your deposit option, and there you wanna go ahead and ask for either the wallet address and enter in the wallet address provided by the sender, and there, if using a QR code, you can open your wallet app and then navigate to the receive section. So this is the way that you can easily receive crypto on Kraken. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.